Another box from Goodwill auctions. Let's see what they sent to me, because previous clock was sent without mechanism. I was very disappointed. Say only fuck you, Goodwill people. Let's see what about this clock. Also was bought without picture of the mechanism. And never ever do it again. Keep it off. Plain stem. Plain stem. This one. Okay. Upside down. Okay. Now open it. It's another, supposed to be a kitchen clock, vintage kitchen clock. Oh. Well, used one, for short use. Now let's see the back side. The back side, I cannot even open it. It's nailed. Looks like, no, maybe I can open it. There's nails there, so how can I do it? It's nailed to the case. There's something right inside. Okay. And on somebody also take it apart. On this, no weight, no keys, but mechanism probably I can see the mechanism is there, so maybe I can build from two clocks can make one clock. Well, what can I say? Don't do it like I did. Okay, clock is disassembled, and that's how it looks like. I think that's the ugliest clock I've ever seen. The worst piece of shit. I can't imagine that someone can just design it. This clock is from 1937, so-called kitchen clock, and there was another thing attached on one side there. Jesus Christ, I don't know who can buy this piece of shit. Well, this is Ingraham company. I guess it's 1937, and this clock was abused and repaired. I don't know when, there are no markings who did it, but as you can see, somebody glued this thing. One more interesting thing, let me turn it over, but this is a genius, I think. Some clock master with ultrasonic breath did this. That's the thing. There's supposed to be a stopper there, and the stopper there was broken. How? I don't know. How did they manage to break it? But well, it's probably poor design of the Ingraham cheap mechanism. So some idiot put there just a screw and did not even cut it or polish it or did anything with it too. And this is how it looks like, this glued. But you know what, interesting thing, that these homemade crap is actually working, so I will leave it as this. And I am cleaning it, polishing it, and I have no idea if they will work at all. Wow. Ingraham 1937. It's working for a couple of hours. "24 hours and this thing is still running." I can't believe it. It's just a mystery. Well, the clock is assembled and working. Ingraham 1937. weight was missing, so I had to make a new one, my own one. Well, I guess I'm done with this clock. That was too much for me. So that's how it looks like now. The best thing that you can see if it's working or not. You can see the pendulum there. Otherwise, on all mechanical clock you don't even know when they stopped working. Okay.